How to transfer money to a Revolut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money to a Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to transfer money to another Revolut account user, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Revolut application here, and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Now, let's say you want to transfer money to someone. In that case, all you have to do is first of all just go to the transfer option that you see here. Once you tap the transfer option, you can enable your contact permission if you'd like, but I'm going to just leave it at that. Or you can simply choose to enter the name of the Revolut user or their Revolution tag or their Revolut tag, or you can also choose to enter the phone number or the email address of the person whom you're trying to send the money to. So you can see the box over there, you can just make sure to enter that. Or what you can also do is just tap the new option here, and then once you enter the new option, you can just select any bank recipient, group or contact or whatever else you prefer, send international or so on. After you simply select your person, you'll be able to enter the amount, fill in the payment details, and then successfully transfer money to a Revolut account user. This is how you can transfer money to a Revolut account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.